The most exciting thing about being at Skills is, the competition. I love being able to face people one-on-one, see who comes out on top.
All of the competitors, the spirit of the competition, bringing those trade skills back, making them important, and rallying a community around it.
It allows the students to come in and display their talents, and it kind of gets them comfortable with being uncomfortable.
There seems to be a big demand in trades and whatnot, and I feel like Skills is kind of a bridge to help manufacturers and people in industry reach the young audience and kind of get them started early on and let them see kind of what's out there and how they can go about it.
Events like Skills USA are important because it gives kids an opportunity to showcase their skills and abilities to potential jobs and in companies and manufacturers.
The young men and women that are coming out of trade schools, they need to be involved in the industry, and they are being prepared for that involvement through the trade schools. And Skills USA gives them a framework for competition to see exactly how good they are and where they need improvement.
Skills USA and events like them are so critical nowadays, especially with all the focus on apprenticeship, hands-on training in the trades.
The trades need so many people, and it's not only heating and air conditioning, it's electrical, it's electronic, you name it. All of us are looking for that same person to bring in there. Fluke, working with us here at Skills USA, if you go around and look at the competition going on here, you're going to see Fluke meters sitting here and there, right? Because Fluke's been kind enough to make sure we had quality meters for the students that are competing Cs. When we deal with somebody like Fluke Education, a lot of people have no idea that a student can go buy a meter that's Fluke and get money back. So as you walk around, you're going to see Fluke meters all over the place because Fluke believe that the educator needs help.
When I started as an electrician, my very first meter was a Fluke.
Fluke provides a good quality product that we can trust. We can rely upon it. We know that it's going to be accurate. We know that it's going to be durable and reliable. In fact, when I do a training, I put up examples of tools that you're going to need for your career, and Fluke is always in there.
If I had to reach in my bag and grab my favorite Fluke tool, I'm probably going to go with my Fluke multimeter and amp meter.
The first thing they do is I'd pull out like a 902.
I'm going to have to go with the dual meter and amp clamp.
The multimeter. I use it absolutely every single day in the classroom.
Safety.
Quality, durability.
You deserve it all.